Hi there, I'm going to show you how to use your lace carriage now. So I've started already. I've e-wrapped and I've knitted a few rows of normal knitting with the main carriage. I'm going to take that off now. So it slides off the rails and I'm just going to put that to one side. What you need to do is pop your lace carriage on now. So just go onto the rails with it and it just slides across. And then your yarn is going to go into the feeder. So you just need to make sure that you've got the silver feeder in the right place so that you can get it in securely. So that's all ready to go. So I've got it on tension 5, which is what I had it on the main feeder. So just keep it on the same. And what you want to do next is take one of your lace punch cards. You know that they're lace punch cards because on the side it'll have L and then the number of the card. So I'm going to pop it in first of all into the punch card and then roll it down to number 1. And you're going to do what you always do with your punch cards. You're going to register that row first of all. So I've popped it onto the circle and then I'm going to go across with both of my side levers down to the circle. So that means that the card's not going to start moving. And I'm going to go over, register the card and then take off the circle. You also want to take off the circles at the side and then you're ready to get going. So just take it across. And what's happened on that first row is it's transferred where we've got a lace hole happening. So the next row is going to knit. It's a little bit more stiff going over, it doesn't glide as easily, but don't worry, that's normal. So that's the lace completed. You can clip your punch card together if you want to, just at the sides, and it will keep rotating over. But I'm just going to take this off now just to show you. So take the weights off. And then I'm going to snap the yarn. Take it out of the feeder and then just come over. And that's my lace done.